Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the coolest features on Amazfit Bip 6, and I'll be sharing some of my favorite features later in this video. So make sure that you watch it till the end. And with that, let's get started. A fantastic AI feature on Bip 6 is that you can now schedule from notifications. So if I have a particular notification that has a date or time in it, you can use AI on the watch to schedule that notification. So if I swipe to the left, this AI button comes up, and if I tap on it, it will launch Zepp Flow AI, and Zepp Flow AI will realize that there is an appointment at 6 a.m. tomorrow, and it will give me a calendar option and a button to add it to the calendar. Now I can also tap here and say add to calendar. And there you go. The appointment is now in my calendar. I can then go in my calendar and tap on the date, and my appointment will be there. Now you can also download and use maps on this watch, and you can do that by first going into the Zepp app on your phone, then go in device, and from here go in app management, and from here you can select a particular area on the map and tap on download. Now this map will be downloaded to your watch. Now you can come in the maps here on the watch, and then you can see the whole map here, and then you can tap on this button to switch between zoom in and out, and you can zoom in and out on specific areas of the map, and then you can move up and down and right and left. It shows you the parks, the water bodies, the roads, and even their names as well, which is really cool. There's a very functional and fantastic AI built into Amazfit Bip 6 as well, and this AI is called Zepp Flow, and it is based on OpenAI. So if we go in settings and then go in voice assistant, we'll see this option Zepp Flow, and then we can go in here. We can turn on the voice responses, we can change between female and male voice, and then we can give it notification access as well and show AI notification assistant, and then we can also turn on this option to activate Zepp Flow upon notifications. There is also an option to change between languages, and now let's go ahead and try this out. We can access it by long pressing the home button or from the app here. How many steps did I walk today?
You've taken 1287 steps so far.
What was my readiness score yesterday?
You achieved an 81 readiness score yesterday, which is at the yesterday level.
Would I need an umbrella tomorrow?
Yes, it might. Thursday will have showers in Mississauga. Bring an umbrella.
And then you can also make this AI do separate things on your watch. Decrease brightness.
I reduced the screen brightness per your request.
Set an alarm for 9 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Done. Alarm is set for 9 a.m.
How can I improve my readiness score?
To improve your readiness score on the Amazfit Bip 6, ensure you wear the watch consistently day and night. Enable all features in the Readiness app to accurately measure your health data. Review the analysis and suggestions provided in the app to understand factors affecting your readiness and adjust your daily routine accordingly.
So you can see how this AI works on this watch. It can answer your questions, it can carry out different functions on the watch, and it gives you information about your health features and all that stuff on the watch as well. So it's really cool, it's really helpful, and you can use it in the notifications as well to schedule your notifications, to respond to messages. So it's really effective, and it has been implemented really intuitively throughout the software on this watch. A fantastic health feature built into Amazfit Bip 6 is one tap measure health metrics. Now what happens is that there are a lot of health features, and you have to go in separate apps to measure your separate metrics, but this one app allows you to measure your health metrics or the basic health metrics in one go. So if we go in here, you can tap on measure, and it will give you a countdown, and then it will start measuring your heart rate, your stress levels, your breathing, I think, and your blood oxygen levels in one go, and all you have to do is remain still. Now it has come back with all of these basic metrics, and it hasn't done a great job here, and I know the reason for that, because I am not wearing the watch tight enough for the watch to measure these metrics correctly. But in one go, this feature will measure all these basic metrics for you. You don't have to do it separately going in different apps. Now, because Amazfit Bip 6 has AMOLED display, it also supports always on display. And Amazfit has built really cool functionality into always on display. Let me show you what I mean. So if you go in display and then go in always on display, you will see that you can turn on always on display, but then you can also go in always on style. Now here you get two options: follow watch face. There is the other option, style selection. So right now, if I turn on the always on display, it will follow the watch face. But if I change it to style selection, I can then select specific always on styles. So there you go. There are some really cool styles built into it. So if I select this one, now this becomes my always on display. Now this is the watch face. If I turn on always on display, this is my always on display. Whenever you raise your wrist, the display turns on, and this is called wake on wrist raise, and there is some functionality built into it as well. So if we go in settings and then go in display, you will see this option, wake on wrist raise. Go in here, and here you can change the response speed. You can set it to standard or sensitive, and then you can enable the status. You can set it as smart, which I believe will detect whenever you're wearing the watch, it will turn on, and when you're not wearing it, it will turn off. You can schedule it as well, and then you can set it to all day. If we go in here, it will tell us about smart. If the system detects that you have fallen asleep while wearing the watch, or you have taken off the watch, it automatically disables wake on wrist raise. There are two buttons on Amazfit Bip 6, and they have different functionalities. So this button functions as the home button. So if I am in any particular app, I'll tap on it or press it, it will take me back to the watch face. But once I'm on the home screen and I press it again, it will take me to the app drawer. This button, on the other hand, functions as a shortcut for settings. So if I press it, it will take me to the settings app. Now these are default settings, and you can definitely change them by going in preferences and then go in shortcut buttons. Now here, this upper button, you can change the long press. By default, if you long press on it, it will launch the Zepp flow, which is the AI on the watch. But then obviously you can change it as well. You can change it to offline voice, readiness, heart rate, blood oxygen, one tap measuring, and a lot of other features. You can select any one of them. And then we have this lower button, so you can change it to launch anything other than settings. And there is a lot of options to choose from as well. So right now this is set to settings. We can change it to offline voice, and then we'll just tap on it and offline voice comes up, and we can ask it to do anything for us on the watch. If there is a particular notification that you want to move up in priority, all you have to do is swipe to the left, and you will see this arrow button. Tap on it, and then that notification becomes the first notification in your notification list. You can also move notifications down the list by tapping on the down arrow. You can add music to this watch as well and listen to it offline wherever you want, because it also has a built-in speaker. How awesome is that? It's just 80 bucks and it has this amazing feature. So you can do this from the Zepp app. Go in your Zepp app, go in device, and from here go in music. Here you'll get this option, upload music. You'll tap on it and you'll go in your files, and from there you can add any song or anything that is on your device to your watch. Now from here, I'm going to add this particular music track and I'm going to upload it, and here you can see that it is transferring to the watch, and I'm going to wait for it to transfer, and then I'm going to show you how this works. So there you go guys, transfer is complete, and I'm going to just tap on it, and I've got this song here in the music player. It opens up right away. I'll show you how to open it. So go in your app drawer, tap on music, go in your playlist, all music, and there you go, brand new day. Now you can tap on it and it will play through the watch, and you can increase or decrease the volume. You can randomize it, like it, and add it to your workout as well. You can also connect Bluetooth headphones with your Amazfit Bip 6, and for that you need to go in music, then scroll up, and here you will see this option, Bluetooth audio. Tap on it and then tap on headphone, and here you will see that my Buds 3 have already been connected with this watch. Now as soon as I'll open this, they will connect to this watch, or I'll just tap on it. So there you go, it's connected. Now if you turn on auto reconnect, they will obviously reconnect, but I have these buds connected to other devices as well, so they probably prioritized other devices. The portrait photo watch face. So it's not just the background watch face where you can add any photo from your gallery, it's a portrait photo watch face, and I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. Here you can see that this is my photo here, but you can see the time which is behind my photo, like it is behind the subject, and this creates this depth of field effect, which is great, and I really like this feature. And you can add multiple photos, so whenever you will tap on the display, it will change the photo, and you can also see the effect, how it changes. It's just so cool. So let me show you how you can do this. So go in the Zepp app and then go in device, and here go in watch faces, scroll down and you'll find portrait watch face, and here you can add any photo from gallery. So just tap on this plus button and you can bring any photo of yourself in here. Just make sure it's a portrait photo, because otherwise it won't work. And then you can go in here and you can edit this photo, and you can place the time wherever you want. Now based on where your photo is in the image, or wherever your subject is, you can place the time. If you want to place the time in front of the subject, you can do that as well. But this option here gives you the option to place the time behind the subject. So once you're done with it, you can save it, and then you can select features that you want to show at the top and at the bottom, and then just sync it, and it will sync with your watch